Hey guys, so the time has finally arrived. We are here at that very special moment that I've really prepared for the past months and something that I've poured my heart into and wanted to build it specially for you, for us. The math community that we are, 7 Minutes Math. YouTube is the place where we have our videos, but there's one little thing that we're missing. Whenever we want to comment on something, whenever you want to ask a question, I've seen that it's quite difficult to keep a community. And this is what I've been working for. This is what I really wanted to build, a space for us where we can put math together, a social network of math. And this is what we are starting today. It's 7minutesmath.com. It's where I've built our community, the place where we can be together, where we can ask questions, where we can learn math, where if you have a dilemma, if you have a problem, if you find a solution to a problem, maybe different that I've found, if you find a problem that you want an answer to, you can post it there with trust. This is it, 7minutesmath.com. Join me here as well. We don't leave YouTube, we stay here, but we just complement or supplement what we have here with what we built right here. It takes maybe not 7 minutes to join, it takes less than a minute to join. So just click on the link, it's in the description, and make sure you are there. Drop by, say hello, and let's start building this community, 7 Minutes Math, together, because it's for us. See you there.